In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Trello app in Slack. So if you want to install Trello app to have more control, it is pretty much simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go to your Slack account and then click on Add Apps. From here, you'll see we have quite a number of apps here. You can also search for any app that you wish to find. So once you have searched for your app, you'll see Trello is here. This is one of the best tools you can use to collaborate on your project without leaving Slack. To add it, go ahead and click on Install, and this will open a new tab where you'll have to log into your Trello account before you can be able to integrate it to Slack. So to do this, just go and click on Add to Slack and then Allow. Then finally, you'll have just to go ahead and log in with your Trello account, be able to complete this process. So that's how you can add Trello app in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.